everybody, it's Erica the Stylist, and I am back with another quarantine cooking video. Today we're gonna make crispy fried cauliflower. You want to start off with wash clean hands, clean cauliflower, and then we're gonna cut them up to resemble wingdings. I like to use 3 bowls, 2 medium sized and 1 larger one. The larger one, you're gonna dump the flour into the bowl. Then I like to add about a teaspoon of sugar to the flour mixture, some sea salt, and this is to your liking, to your preference. Then we're going to throw some Lorry seasoning salt in there. I use this because it's all I had. I typically like to use the one from Trader Joe's. It's so bomb. Then we're going to go in with some black pepper, and then we're going to hit it with some lemon pepper. You can't forget about the garlic powder. And lastly, some paprika. Now, I usually like to use a whisk, but for some reason I couldn't find mine. I think my daughter may have gotten to it. But anywho, we're just gonna make do. I'm gonna mix all that seasonings or all those seasonings into that flour really good. Quite get it with the fork, so then I grabbed me a spatula. This mixed it up a lot better for me. Then we're going to take a portion of that mixture and put it into one of the bowls. When we use the egg wash, it gets a little funky in that larger bowl, so you kind of want to have some fresh flour to keep dumping in so it doesn't just get too nasty. You want the consistency to be the same for every batch that you put in, and you can't fry them all in the same batch. Then we're gonna crack 3 eggs, and I like to throw a little seasoning in the eggs. When you put the flour mixture on the cauliflower, then you drop them in the eggs. Sometimes they lose or wash away some of that flour seasoning, so if you got some in the egg, where is it going? It can't go nowhere. It's swimming in more seasoning. After we've mixed our eggs all up, we want to set them to the side. Then we want to grab our smaller bowl of seasoned flour and judge the cauliflower all in that flour. We want to get it heavily coated and then just dust away the excess. Then we're going to make it swim in that egg wash, and 3 eggs should be enough for a whole head of cauliflower. Then we're going to stick that egg washed cauliflower into the bigger bowl. We gotta make sure we get it completely covered. And we're just gonna dump that flour right all over there. Yes, like that. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. Trust me, it looks kind of nasty. It might look like it's too much egg, like it might have been too much seasoning, but remember, cauliflower has very minimal taste. It's a distinct taste, but it's very minimal. And this is just the right seasonings to make it just pop. It's not too much. Then we're going to get us some hot grease. I use canola oil in my favorite pan. I call her Lydia. It's my cast iron skillet. And drop those cauliflowers in there and let them fry, baby. We want to kind of fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. They're going to look a little golden. Then after about 2 minutes, you want to flip them over. Some of them you may have to flip a couple times just because of their shape. Once they get to a golden color, they're almost done. Once they look a little brown, then we're going to take those out. And I like to shake off as much of that grease as possible. And then we're going to set them on a lined surface so that that excess grease can come off. Voila, magic. It's super simple, it tastes really good, and anybody can do this. Frying them is probably not the healthiest option, but if you want something comforting every now and again, this is definitely a recipe to try. I hope you enjoyed my crispy fried cauliflower. They are so super good. I like to eat them with a little bit of hot sauce and buttermilk ranch. Tastes like buffalo chicken wings. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried the recipe. Bye.